Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing an easy recipe for curried chicken foot. To get started, I already went ahead and washed the chicken foot, trimmed the nails off. I washed them up in some vinegar and lemon juice, and I will be using some potatoes. I have my herbs here, which are thyme, green onions, cilantro, parsley. I'll be using some regular yellow onions. I have garlic and green seasoning, as well as some habanero peppers. I have my curry powders here, which are Indie and Chiefs. I like to mix the two. I also have turmeric there. I have some garam masala and geera, better known as cumin. For the seasonings, I'll be using complete seasoning, bouillon, seasoned salt, and black pepper. Now, I will be pressuring my chicken foot because who has time to be boiling this for 2 hours and all that stuff? No, ma'am. So we'll go ahead, add some salt to that so it can boil, pressure with a bit of taste. Then we'll add some water, cover this, and allow it to pressure for about 12 to 15 minutes. You don't want it too soft because it has to be cooked, in the curry. So you want to give it a time to do its thing. Next, we'll go ahead and mix our curry paste. We'll add the spices to the curry, which are the garam masala and the jeera. We will add the green seasoning, and then we'll add some water. We will mix it until it forms a nice thick paste, and that will be used for, making our curry sauce. I like to do this because I like to cook my curry thoroughly before adding, any other ingredients. You ever taste a curry and it just tastes raw? Like you can taste all the grains in the curry and you can smell the actual raw curry in there. I hate that. So I like to cook my curry first before adding meats, vegetables, or whatever. In my preheated skillet, I did add some oil in here. Now I'll go in with that curry paste that we made. We will cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes before we add our aromatics. After about 4 minutes, you want to add the onions, garlic, the herbs, except the thyme. We'll give it a good mix and allow it to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. So at this point, the curry is thoroughly cooked, and now we can start adding the rest of our ingredients. So we'll add a bit of water just to create a nice sauce to toss the chicken foot in. Then we'll add the chicken foot, just the chicken foot. Don't add the water that we pressured it in. You can discard that water because it has salt and we want to control the amount of salt we're adding to our curry. So you want to add the chicken foot now. Make sure it is well coated with that sauce, and then we will cover and allow this to go on low heat for about 5 to 8 minutes. We want the chicken foot to absorb that curry before adding the rest of our ingredients. After about 8 minutes, this is how the chicken foot is looking. At this point, it has absorbed that sauce and it smells amazing. So now what you want to do is add the potatoes. If you're using potatoes, add them in. Then we'll add the seasonings to add that flavor and taste. We want to take this up a notch. And then we will go in with some hot water to help cook the potatoes. We will add our habanero peppers and the thyme. We will cover this and allow those potatoes to become nice and tender and for that sauce to thicken, and then we will be ready to serve. After about 8 minutes, you want to get in there and just stir it, make sure nothing is sticking or burning, and to make sure everything is being cooked evenly. Then we'll cover and allow it to continue cooking. And lastly, we'll add some fresh parsley just for a pop of color and brightness. And that's it, guys. Our curry chicken foot is all done. It smells amazing. It was quick, easy, and simple. Now let's get ready to serve. And here you have it, guys, my version of curried chicken foot. If you're a chicken foot fan, you will definitely enjoy this one, trust me. Now I did serve this up with some plain white rice and a fresh coleslaw. It was absolutely divine. I really enjoyed it, and I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!